cup, backpack, zip tight so nothing gets stuck. Legos in the box, not under your feet. Everything in its home makes a chaos retreat.
While we organize so the family flows no more.
Where's my shoe?
When it's time to go, benefits stack up like a skyscraper tall. Small cleanups today mean tomorrow you stand tall.
Put the trash in the can, fold the clothes real neat. Lunchbox washed and ready for tomorrow's beat. One small habit, one tidy little spark turns a messy day into a rocket to the park.
One toy sorted, one shelf made right. Little habits turn the dark to light. Hey, hey, tiny tweaks, giant leaps. Hey,
Small improvements every single day.
hey, clean it up, put it where it belongs. Big things happen when your space is strong. Parents and kids, let's link up tight. Clear the clutter, make the future bright.
One small fix today, tomorrow you'll see you built a rocket ship from a messy sea.
Tiny tweaks, giant leaps.
Small improvements every single day.
Clean it up, put it where it belongs. Big things happen when your space is strong.
Yeah, the learning noise says organized today. Tiny tweaks.
Now go make it play.
Hey, awesome moms and dads, if you and your kids just rocked out and learned something cool with the learning noise, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with all your parent crew. That way you'll get access to all our songs, new drops every week, full playlists, and never miss a single jam. Thanks for being part of the noise. Now let's keep the party loud and the learning loud too. See you in the next song.